Mamata Banerjee is on her second day of visit to Maharashtra. Today she met NCP chief Sharad Pawar and hinted towards formation of a third front. Mamata, post the meeting, commented that there is a need of a firm alternative as no party is fighting towards the current fascism. Pawar, on the other hand, said that their intention is to bring like-minded political forces together and provide a strong alternative. My colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us live. Arunil, what are you picking up from the series of meetings that Mamata Banerjee has had, the latest one being with Sharad Pawar? Now, here we are talking about the TMC chief meeting the chief of the NCP. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of buzz around what's cooking between the two. Over to you, Arunil.
Well, Afida, if you want to discuss the significant points that came up from this visit of Mamata Banerjee to the financial capital of the country. First, clearly she was asked this question. Sharad Pawar ji was also asked about this question, that who will be the leader of these opposition parties? Because all of them have been saying that like-minded parties should come together. Mamata Banerjee said that I have come to meet Sharad Pawar ji just because he is the senior most leader of the opposition parties. Now, Mamata Banerjee in front of Sharad Pawar only clearly could be seen undermining and underplaying the Congress party. In fact, she went up in a way hit out at Rahul Gandhi also, indirect attack one can say, saying that you cannot do politics or you cannot compete with BJP if you are not staying in India, if you are not on the field, you cannot do politics by staying abroad. So that was a kind of a direct attack on Rahul Gandhi. So how the Congress party is going to perceive this? Because the Congress, NCP and the Shiv Sena are in power in the state of Maharashtra. So is there a threat on the MBA government, the Maha Vikas Aghadi government in the state of Maharashtra because of Mamata Banerjee's growing closeness with the NCP? Also, Sanjay Raut has been repeatedly saying that Sharad Pawar should lead the opposition parties. Sanjay Raut has made this statement multiple times. Yesterday, Mamata Banerjee went and met Sharad Pawar. So obviously, the kind of confusion still remains that even if this third front is formed, who will exactly lead this third front? From Mamata Banerjee's side, it has been made amply clear. She's been visiting several states, be it Tripura, be it Goa, be it Maharashtra now, to show that she is the right alternative to the Congress party, or she is the right rival to the BJP at the center, hitting out at the BJP time and again. But now there are many pondering questions that remain. One is that what happens to the future of Congress party, whether it will be affected, Congress party will be affected, considering that Mamata Banerjee has launched an all-out attack on the Congress party, saying that I am the leader of the opposition parties. B, is the MBA government, that is the Maha Vikas Aghadi government, in threat, considering that Mamata Banerjee has attacked the Congress party leader Rahul Gandhi in front of Sharad Pawar only. C, who will be the leader of the opposition parties? Will it be Sharad Pawar, or will it be Mamata Banerjee, or will it be somebody else?
Absolutely. So that is the moot point, and that is the question which is in everyone's mind. Who will be the first among the equals? Who will rather be the face if any such alliance gets stitched up? We'll have to wait and see. Thanks for joining us, Arunil.